boys? Today we're going to continue with the Subway Surfers video because I had to split it into parts, or I didn't upload it yet. I'm gonna upload it right after this video is done. We're going to make like a lot of parts of it to where we can get to like 500K. I want to get to like 700K. Wait, even though I'm not gonna do it, I'm a bot. I suck. Oh frick, dude, guys, we lost. We did. You can't meet that goal. That sucks. We're gonna get so many of these though. I'm gonna double them. I'm gonna double this. Save big money at my Nards. Since I got so many of these, I'm probably gonna get maybe unlock fresh. Maybe unlock fresh.
Facebook knows who I am, but I don't know my password. What? I don't know my password.
For what?
For this, I'm trying to verify my account. You can verify your account.
How do you not have it?
I don't remember. My brother made me this account. What could it be?
I haven't found another brush thing. Found so many coins. New high score. Okay.
Frick hole.
Oh, 1 million.
That's not 1 million. That's 182,815. Yeah, I forgot.
Well, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, cheers, fellas.